Hi, welcome. So this is our Telegram group. We drop non-marketing signals every single day. Listen if you follow them actually with patience. You watch our videos daily, and you know the reason behind every trade. You can even take best entries. You will understand the charts better. You will know why you took this trade. Like you can master the charts easily then. So let's begin. The first signal was for Euro USD 5 minutes down. You can check out. So in this, I marked it on the chart so you can understand it better. The signal was given at 255 for the downside, 5 minutes Euro USD. In this, a big red candle completely engulfed the green one. Then another doji appeared, bearish candle followed. So that was a perfect continuation pattern. You can check. So it was a perfect trade for the downside, and we took this trade and yeah, smashed it. Amazing win. You can check out. Amazing. The next signal was for Euro JPY, 5 minutes down. Let me show you. Yeah, so here two green candles tried to fight back but couldn't engulf the red one. The trend was still down, so we took another downgrade right here at 3 o'clock, 5 minutes Euro JPY, and we won this trade with a perfect entry. Amazing win right here. You can check out. Yeah, just check this out. Amazing win. Again. Then the next signal was for EuroCAD, 5 minutes up. Let me show you. So here, the signal was given for the call side at 3.5, 5 minutes EuroCAD. And this, it was a clean setup. There was a good uptrend and moving average support was there. That was a perfect confirmation to take this as a call trade. We took this trade and won this trade. Again, another big win. You can check out. Moving average plus uptrend. Amazing win right there. That's all for the session. You can check the results out. See, the trading isn't about luck. It's all about logic, patience, and yeah, that's why we won this trade. We were patient. We were just watching our trades. We know the reason behind every trade. That's why we just won all the trades. See, amazing results, no martingales. Amazing. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.